My Shorts channel hit over 20 million views, with some seriously viral content. But lately, things have slowed down. Most of my recent videos are stuck after reaching a few thousand views, again and again. I need to break free from this cycle. So, in this video, I'm going to try something new, creating a short from scratch, hitting at least 1 million views, and showing you how much I made. Let's get to it. By the end of this video, you'll have a viral strategy to implement in your next short, and I'm going to break down exactly how to make it happen, no matter your niche or experience. I'm not talking about those just use ChatGPT and Canva to create 300 videos in 30 minutes tutorials, or make clips from interviews with some random website. There, didn't work at all. Trust me, you're not going to get anywhere with AI-generated shorts. And even if by some miracle you hit 10 million views with them, guess what? YouTube won't monetize it because they'll flag it as repetitive content. And let's be real, posting 300 cookie-cutter videos is the definition of repetitive. So forget that strategy. We're going for something that actually works. Don't expect a simple copy-paste guide. You're going to have to put in the work. We're going to figure out the video idea, write the script, do the voiceover, edit, add captions, music, sound effects, all of it. But first, we need a fresh strategy. Here's the thing. I've been working on this channel, making videos about Marvel movies, and I've got this formula that's been working for me. But let's be honest, it's not hitting the same anymore. I know, this is the definition of insanity, right? Doing the same thing over and over and expecting a different result. So, time for a new approach. I'm gonna do some research and find out what's working in the world of shorts right now. I'll be right back.
Which day it is?
It's 15th of October.
Let's find him.
3 hours later, we've got a fresh approach. Here's the first mistake I was making, and honestly, if you're stuck with your shorts, you're probably doing the same thing. A bad idea equals a bad video. We need a killer idea. You need to look for trends in your niche, or better yet, merge a trend with your niche. Take an old topic, add a twist. And I'm not even gonna Google this time. I'm a Marvel fan, so I know exactly what's trending. Spider-Man 4 trailer. Bam! When it comes to the script, I used to think the shorter, the better. Quick and punchy, right? But that's not always the case. Turns out, YouTube likes longer shorts. I don't know why, but it seems like they prioritize videos that keep viewers watching longer. I've seen it firsthand. If you're stuck in the shorter is better mindset, it's time to rethink it. Aim for something that's around 30 to 60 seconds. Trust me, you'll be glad you did. Here's the data to prove it. Make your shorts longer, dive deeper into the topic, and watch what happens. Next up, hook. You need something that grabs people's attention in the first few seconds. Make them curious enough to stop scrolling. Here's an example. Tom Hardy reveals in Spider-Man 4, he will fight Tom Holland's Spider-Man. And here's the thing, make the content more than just a bunch of facts. Add a story. People love stories. Even with just 60 seconds, you can create something that pulls them in and keeps them watching. Now, they're invested. For the voiceover, if you're lucky enough to have a sexy voice, great. But most of us, we're using AI. I use 11 Labs to generate my voiceovers, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. Once the voiceover is ready, don't just throw it in there and call it a day. Make it sound natural. Cut out pauses, overlap clips, and play around with pacing. That's the key to making it feel organic. When it comes to the footage, go ahead and search YouTube for clips related to your topic, or use free stock video sites like Pexels. Import it all into your editing software, cover your voiceover with related clips, and make sure you're adding at least one interaction clip to keep people engaged. Now here's the trick. Don't just drop the clips in there. Make it dynamic. Resize, zoom in, zoom out. Add some movement. Use keyframes to make everything smoother. It's that little extra that makes a huge difference. Finally, don't forget to use captions. Use a style that stands out and is easy to read, and make sure it's unique to your channel. That's the secret sauce. And there you have it. That's how you take a short from zero to viral. It's all about finding that perfect video idea, crafting a strong script, using AI to your advantage, and adding that magic to make your content truly stand out. So, get out there, make your next viral short, and let me know how it goes.